Where we breathe is important. There are growing concerns about the health effects of formaldehyde found in many household materials, like laminate flooring and furniture. The problem is that you can't see it, but most of us breathe it every day. By current estimates, over 98% of new homes have indoor formaldehyde levels capable of inducing irritation. It affects many manufactured homes, as well as some energy-efficient homes. What if there were a way to affordably measure it, to see how much is in your home?